Have you downloaded Google Opinion Rewards and you're not getting survey in this application? Yeah, this is the correct video you're at, and in this video I will share with you few practical steps which you have to follow and you will start getting survey in Google Opinion Rewards. There are few steps and tricks that you need to make sure that you're doing it correctly, because that is most important for getting survey. In this video I will share with you the exact procedure, how I got survey, a lot of survey in Google Opinion Reward, and how you can get it. So stay tuned. It's me Ashutosh and you're watching Mobi Flamer. Once you download this application from Google Play Store, the second step is to provide each and every information correctly. As you can see, while signing up, it asks for some information like what is your age, what is your correct location, your PIN code, the languages in which you want survey. All this information should be correctly filled by you so that you can easily get more survey based on your information that you feed over here. So this is more important step, that don't fake any location or don't fake any sort of thing that is not real. So please provide 100% real information, like your age should be correct and your location should be correct. After this, let's move to the second step. Second step is to provide each and every permission which this application is demanding for. As you can see, you can go to the settings and check this application permissions, like what are the permissions that you have given to this application. You have to make sure that each and every permission is enabled and you're allowing every permission to this application. Once you're set, you are now ready for getting more survey, because this application can freely work in your phone without any restriction, and you can stay safe by giving all the permissions, because this application is from Google and you can just trust them. Now the third step is very simple to do. Just you have to turn on your location on high accuracy. This is very important, and you will get 60% of survey by just doing this. Now make sure that your location is turned on high accuracy, because your Google Opinion Reward will ask more survey of 60% based on your location, your past location, your area in which you're living. So make sure that your location is turned on high accuracy, because this step
is very important.
Now after these three steps, after following this three steps, let me give you a fourth tip that you should definitely consider once you have downloaded this application and you want some survey in this application. So make sure that you never you should never clear data or clear cache this application. Once you do this, there is some disturbance in the working of this application and you will end up having no survey. So you don't get any survey once you disturb any of the function of this application. So make sure that you're not disturbing it by clearing data and clearing cache of this application, cache or whatever you say. So you don't have to uninstall this application and reinstall this application on the same phone. The more you do this, the more you uninstall this application and reinstall the application on the same phone, the chances of getting survey decreases. So make sure that you don't uninstall this application again and again, because this is just a small application. You can keep it in your phone, allowing all the permissions, allowing all the required thing this application wants, like your battery and all. So make sure that you're not uninstalling this application, because sometimes it happens that whenever there is a survey, you don't get notified, and this thing is very bad. Even if you're having a survey, you're not getting notified and the survey expires and you're not able to answer that. The worst thing that you can ever do is this. So make sure that you're not having such applications like cleaner application on any other phone speeding booster application which are turning on or off the notification of other applications, and especially Google Opinion Rewards. So you don't have to use such applications. So uninstall those applications which are controlling other applications like Google Opinion Rewards. So make sure that you're turn on a notification of Google Opinion Reward, so whenever there is a survey, you're getting notified. These were few tips for getting more survey in Google Opinion Reward. I hope so that this video would have helped you in some or the other way. If it did so, please make sure to like this video and comment your queries below. So if you have any query, please comment below and subscribe this channel for more tech videos, awesome tech videos actually.